Moen Home Care offers a variety of bath safety products, providing peace of mind, comfort, and style in the bathroom. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to install a grab bar into a hollow wall using secure mount anchors. Step 1. Preparation. Gather the right tools for the job. For safety and ease, Moen recommends using a drill, 1 1/4-inch hole saw, Phillips screwdriver, level, pencil, and safety glasses. Step 2. Determine placement. Decide where you'd like to mount the grab bar on the wall. Slide the end covers away from the flanges. Hold the grab bar at the proper location and outline each flange. Use a level for accuracy. Place a mounting plate in each outline and mark the center hole. Step 3. Install the secure mount anchors into the wall. Drill a 1 1/4-inch hole at each center mark. Insert a plastic guide sleeve into each hole until it's flush with the wall. Make sure the up indicator is pointing up. Snap a pull tab onto the anchors. Insert an anchor into each plastic guide sleeve and bring the pull tab toward you until it feels snug against the inside wall. Remove the pull tab from each anchor by lifting it up and pulling it toward you. Position a mounting plate over each plastic guide sleeve and secure them in place with a bolt and 2 washers. The arrows on each mounting plate should be pointing toward each other. The last step is attaching the grab bar to the secure mount anchors. Position the grab bar flanges over the mounting plates and secure them in place with 3 bolts and washers. Remove the protective cover at the perforation on each hub. Slide the end cover toward each flange and snap them in place. Congratulations! Your job is finished. Installing a grab bar with secure mount anchors is fast and easy with Moen Home Care. If you have any questions about Moen or any of our products, please call Moen Consumer Services.